Thousands of birds are sitting here eating grain like it's a free buffet, and the weirdest part? No one stops them. No nets, no fences, nothing. Because the loading happening underneath is insanely heavy. If they ever tried putting nets here, they would snap in seconds. And here's the part most people don't realize. These birds look like they're eating a lot, but they're not even making a dent. They can't finish tons of grain. All they really leave behind is a little mess. And once the loading is done, one quick surface cleaning clears everything. So the birds stay, not because they're allowed, but because stopping them is impossible and unnecessary.